Oh my god.
What?
Did you just... Oh my god.
WTF, Axel?
You just coughed.
Yes, I did.
Roxas? Didn't the others tell you?
Huh? Didn't the others tell me what?
Holy shit, you seriously don't know?
Don't know about what?
I can't believe this. They should have told you. You have a right to know.
I have a right to know what? What's the matter?
Good grief, this is absolutely terrible.
OMG, Axel, this isn't funny. Tell me what's going on.
Do I look like I'm laughing, Roxas? This is serious. Wait right here. Don't move. Here, take this thermometer.
Axel, I'm sure it's just a cold.
For goodness sake, Roxas, we don't have time for this. We have to check. Oh God, I knew it.
It doesn't mean anything. It could just be a cold.
No, Roxas, it's much more than that. It is just as I suspected.
What then? What's the matter with me?
I don't know how to break this to you, Roxas, but you're hot!
Do I look like I'm fuck, I tried to do it louder and fail! Here, take this fuck, I almost said like thermometer.